The Chignecto Isthmus is a small strip of land, but an important one. And it's the subject of a debate that's now before the Nova Scotia Court of Appeal.
So I'll be addressing 5 reasons why this court should decline to answer the question posed.
The Isthmus is the only path for a national rail line, the Trans-Canada Highway, and power and internet lines that connect Nova Scotia to New Brunswick and the rest of Canada. Who's in charge of protecting those crucial pieces of infrastructure? That's the question Nova Scotia wants the court to answer. But before the court will consider the question, it must first be convinced that it should. At a hearing in Halifax, this lawyer for the federal government argued the question is vague and not useful. She says the province is just trying to get Ottawa to pay the full cost of upgrading a system of dikes and aboiteaux that hold back the Bay of Fundy. Some of those structures are hundreds of years old. Upgrades are estimated to cost more than $650 million. Ottawa is offering to pay half.
The question is essentially an attempt to enlist the court in aid of what is really a funding dispute between orders of government. And respectfully, that is an unnecessary use of this court's valuable time.
Lawyers for Nova Scotia say they're not asking the court to rule on who should pay. They say that will be a political decision for later.
There is ample evidence within the record to respond to the question as framed.
Experts say the isthmus is at risk because of rising sea levels and worsening storms, the results of climate change.
There is a clear risk to the isthmus established in the record, as will be argued by Nova Scotia at the hearing on the merits.
Whether the province will get a chance to make those arguments remains to be seen. The panel of 3 appeal court judges reserved its decision for another day. Taryn, CBC News, Halifax.